Hi, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to be describing how to return a random cell that contains text from a list of a bunch of cells. So one potential application for this is if you have some sort of online sweepstakes that outputs a list of names and you have to choose a winner from that list. So if you follow this tutorial, you'll basically be able to accomplish your goal of fairly choosing a winner of a sweepstakes. So let's say we have a list of random people. So we'll have Adam, Amy, Felix, Kevin, Christine, Maggie, and Megan. So we want to select one of these people at random to choose a winner. So I'll break down the different functions that's going to be used in this into separate parts. So first I'll start with count. So let's say if we just say we want to count the list here, this formula isn't going to work, right? It's going to output a zero. That's because count is only going to work if one of these is a number, right? So it should output a one, should output a two. So count is only going to work if you're looking for numbers here. Since we're looking for names, we want to use count A. So this should now output 7 because there's 7 names in this list. Perfect. So we're going to want to choose a random number from this list. So what we're going to do here is, let's say it's not actually 7 long. We don't know how long it actually is. So, and we don't want to drag to the end. So we could just use $A. That'll just select the entire list. I could just use A, but if I need to drag this formula over later, then it'll be simpler to do that. So this should output 7 still. Great. So to choose a random number between this, we're going to say rand between 1 to the end of this. So this is basically going to give us an integer between 1 and, in this case, 7. If I add another name to this, then it would be a random number between 1 and 8. But for this case, we want 1 to 7. So there's 6. If I drag this down a bit, and it'll generate a bunch of numbers. It should be all between 1 and 7, and it looks like they are. So you could end here and just see what number it gives you and then go and reference the row, but we could make it a little more pretty and have an actual name outputted. So to do that, we're going to use the index function. So index in column A, and this is the row. So basically, row number is going to be randomly generated, and it's going to return the output from column A. So to see who the sweepstakes winner is, we'll press enter, and it is Adam. Congratulations, Adam. So if we were to refresh this, it'll give us another random name. It could be Adam or anybody else in the list. And next would be Kevin, but we'll go with the original winner, Adam.